What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another lock tutorial for you guys. And in today's video, I will be doing a super cute no retwist style featuring these clips that I found at my local grocery store. So you guys know I'm not into long intros, so let's jump right into it. So the style that we're going to do today will be a lock swoop bang with a high ponytail and a few clip accessories, you know, real 2090-ish vibe. Okay, so you want to start off by gathering some locks and, you know, testing the waters, see what looks right for your head shape. So you want to grab a couple of locks. It really doesn't matter on the amount. I want a more fuller bang, so I'm going to grab more locks. So once I have decided on the size of my bang, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band and save it for later, because this will be the last thing that we work on, because it's truly the hardest part about this whole style and the most annoying, so we're just going to save that for later. But now I'm going to begin creating that lock ponytail, and like always, I'm just gathering some locks. Gather, you know, pretty self-explanatory. You just gather your locks and place them into a ponytail. And I've been getting questions about what rubber bands that I used for my lock ponytails. I used the extra big black ones. You can find them in the beauty supply stores. They have different sizes. I used the largest ones because I have thick locks, but as you can see, I was able to put that rubber band on without it popping, and boom bam, thank you ma'am, we got yourself a lock ponytail. Now I'm going to begin building that ponytail up. Unfortunately, I will not be showing that in this tutorial, but luckily I have a tutorial on my high ponytail available on my YouTube channel. Just go ahead and click the iCard above, and you know, you get a more in-depth tutorial and all that stuff. But for right now, honey boo boo, and that car driving by, so right now we're going to begin working on that bang. Now this part is pretty easy / tricky. You want to make sure that you get that nice polished lock bang swoop. You dig me? You get what I'm saying? So as you can see, I got that nice polished look. Now I'm going to take this clip just to hold the locks in place, and I'm going to begin bobby pinning the back. And the best bobby pins to use if you have locks, especially if you have thick locks, are the old-fashioned style ones. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. And please excuse all these cars driving by. I'm outside on my balcony trying to get some fresh air, because you know it's retrograde. I'm trying to get through it. But anyway, I'm just going to bobby pin the back. That way that bang doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And if you guys hear my kids screaming or fighting, I should say, please excuse them. It's retrograde. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just going to wrap that up and begin the fun part, which is the clips. As I mentioned before, I found these clips at my local grocery store. Yes, food shopping. Yes, I did find these in the hair aisle. You know, every grocery store in 2022 has a hair aisle. So yeah, why not? Plus, they were only $12, you know? Can't beat that price. But now we're going to add the clips to my hair. Now, the idea for the clips is inspired by my hair color. So I will be adding the yellow one, then pink, then purple, then blue, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it. Yeah. Enjoy.
I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Can't stop the things I do.
Alright you guys, so this pretty much is the finished look. I did add a little gold accessory around the ponytail, just add a little razzle dazzle, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I am going to beat my face off camera, but yes, until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.
You can't get me out your fucking head. Why you laying next to her in bed? Is it true that all your friends are dead? Can't keep track of all the shit I said. I know that you feel like you've been misled. Does she know you think that I'm the best? 'Cause baby, if you know that I'm the best, then come for me. I put a spell on you.